jobs are becoming increasingly popular thanks to the diversity, the flexibility, and the income earning potential that online jobs provide. The startup costs are minimal and there are lots of online gigs depending on your interest and your skill set. So, if you're a student looking for online jobs, then you have come to the right place. Welcome, cousin. And today I share with you online jobs for students. So if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to this channel because it's a small community and it needs your support to grow. Also consider giving this video a thumbs up because it's free and it also serves as a motivation to me. I'm sending some love your way. Number one is becoming a Facebook ad manager. A lot of local companies know that they need to advertise their products and services, but they do not know how, or they don't have enough employees to work on that. That is where you come in. If you're familiar with Facebook ads platform and their strategies, or better still, if you do not know and you are willing to put in time to learn, then you can start by contacting local businesses and offer your services to Number two is becoming a transcriber. Transcription services are high in demand and the barrier to entry is low. So even if you do not have any experience in transcribing, you can still find work. There are many large companies that hire transcribers, but the pay is generally low. For instance, Scriber.com pays $25 per audio hour and Transcribe Me pays $15 per audio hour. So as you grow, you look for sites that pays better. There are sites that pays better, but it's not easy getting accepted into those sites. I have 3 of those sites that pays better that I'll share with you now. Although it's not easy getting accepted, but it's definitely worth the wait. Number one is Speechpad.com. Speechpad pays $24 per audio hour. The second one is Go Transcript. It pays $39 per audio hour, and Rev.com pays $24 to $39 per audio hour. The next one is becoming a drop shipper. Okay, with drop shipping, you set up storefronts on Shopify, then you list your products. Then you have suppliers ship directly to customers. This is a great option for anyone looking for an online job because it allows you to work in sales without you having to touch the physical product during transaction. Let's do a little house cleaning. If you're enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing to this channel because we are a small community and we are not going to grow without your support. And also consider giving us a thumbs up because it's free and it also serves as a motivation to me. And you get to earn a good income at the same time. But you can sell anything from t-shirts to event tickets to virtual consulting. Okay, this is a flexible online job. Although the benefit or the profit margin is not as high as you stocking and shipping your own physical product, but the benefit of this hands-off method makes it worthwhile. The next one is becoming an online personal trainer. So if you love to work out and to teach others, then becoming an online personal trainer could be a fun side hustle for you. Plus, you get to keep these clients even after you graduate. You can create a YouTube channel with free workout sessions that shows off your workout to potential clients. Some trainers even go as far as creating meal plans for their clients, okay? And this can earn you between $30 and $50. The next one is becoming an online beauty advisor. So if you get compliments on your makeup and you love talking about skincare, then consider making money with this skill set, okay? You make money when someone buys a product that you recommend. Here is how it works, okay? If you have a YouTube channel or a social media where you recommend products, you use specific referrals or affiliate codes to the product. I mean, you link it to the product. So when someone buys the product using your links, you get a percentage of how much they spend. The next one is becoming a proofreader. There are lots of opportunities online for students to make money proofreading, but you shouldn't overlook the opportunities on campus. So consider seeking out fellow students who could use a proofreader before turning in their next paper. Proofreading is less in-depth than editing. So rather than making extensive corrections and suggestions, you only work as a second eye, looking for typos, spelling errors, and other minor mistakes to clean up their work before they are submitted for grading.